Pakshit Vlog.
It's me again, your
Motherfucking
Miley Cyrus Philippine version. So, our for today. Our friends sila with all the tutut. So our for today is ganyan na ba?
content.
Dili content ka ng itinerary. Our
IT.
dili our video for today, video na lang dito gayan ako.
Our studies for today is
Our bag.
Cloud Maroon sa ni Beb. Liguanan?
Mo na ingon ni King Cloud Maroon.
Liguanan? Liguanan Rainforest.
Oh my God.
Sa Beb ito?
And relax. I don't know. Dito, babe, na entrance. Okay.
Saan siya?
I
2
don't
minutes away lang niya.
Yeah, I don't know. Why you asking me? Haven't
Mahal,
been
mamaya ko
there.
ng gulay.
Haven't been there
Kal.
before.
Kakakal,
Let's
Beb.
buy late.
Kakakal, Beb.
No.
Ang kal is reject nga chicken nga nagaproduce og egg. So, pag mapalit ka na, imong lutoon, morot na imong shilin,
Dili pa maluto
dili
ang
dili
chicken.
pa mahumok. Dili pa siya malata.
Babe,
San Miguel, what's?
malimot ko sa akong ingnot.
Senior Padre, dapat
Babe,
mag-church na.
babe, nakalimot ko sa akong ingnot.
Sa man may ka. Ay lagi si Ikaw kay Daniel Padilla.
Apat man to sa gikat man gud ko nimo na imong kalgon.
Daniel Padilla. I want to poop, I want to libang. Gusto ko malibang.
Dira babe, dira. Diri babe.
Asa man?
Diri gilid pa na sa.
Ano man?
Malibang ka
Kaguls,
na may wipes.
strawberry fresh and jam available for sale.
Malibang kami magkarog-karog ka sa katog. Dili na mo gawas mo balik og sulod. It's
So crazy.
Kakar.
Wala net. There's no signal.
Oh my, there's no signal. How many
Nice.
times do you have sex?
Twice a day.
Uy,
Twice a day.
twice a day lang. Dapat tama ko kalimuto pa na.
No, kaya bawal man ka mag-lunch break.
Eh, it's a macaroni. Ano na siya? Mura na siya.
What's the Pix View?
Parang invent.
In? Oh, pwede na rito. Mag-wiki ta.
Dutch or something like that.
Mag-wiki na rito.
But you don't need to have an E. You just need to have a car and then
Mag-wiki.
tint windows. Tinted windows. Or we're almost there na.
We're almost there in my pooping spot.
Ay, libang yun dito, Beb. Para
Syagit
mamalik
ko.
na dito, Beb.
Malibang ko dito. Syagit ko.
Para mamalik.
Ah!
Sumuka.
Oh, sa una pa man. Sa una pa dyan ni Bawa. Pa dyan na ni
Wala
naayo.
naman ni Balak ayun, Beb.
Ginaespaltuhan lang. Nagakuhan lang ko siya dali. Nagakuhan.
What?
Bagsak siya ba?
Bagsak what? Bagsak pressure?
Ah, the breeze inside my butt.
You gotta turn right. The near intersection.
Anong kabalog ko dali? Anong kabalog ka dali?
Ako? Kapilan mo
Right
ka
na, dire?
Buda, dili. Sunod. How many times I've been here naman? Oh,
Mag-right na, mag-right.
English tuyo.
Mag-right?
Yes.
Ano, right na diya?
No, not this one. There will be a road na wide like that and then pasaka to it. So we're gonna go there. Ganon, lettuce.
What's that? Web, sige, pagpakuntahan na. Wala, dili. Good.
Laga ka mo. Maghapit ta sa Pemba. Kung ganahan mo. It's where you buy lettuce.
Ninyo.
And ano, what's this? Villa de Maria Homestay. Beb, fix your hair. Ayaw, lagyan na para mura kag imaw.
Oh,
Imaw.
I am Daniel
Dili man
Padilla.
na. Daniel Padilla magka. Where's the Y man na karsada? Nag-agi naman tayo sa ano.
May signal, babe.
Sa ano. Diba nag-agi naman tayo sa proper? Doon lang man yun malapit sa proper.
Nasad ka. Masaag na sa daning style eh.
No, I'm good at directions, man. Kasi ikaw nagmadali ka man kanina no. Hindi ka man makaantay. I'm good at directions and remembering everything. There is a mag-picture, man.
Sira ulan mo.
Why do you have mixed emotions? Mixed emotions. Mixed
Shut up.
Mixed emotions. Why you close that window? Mag-challenge na, babe. English only.
Ka ba na eh?
Sige na, babe.
So yo,
It's for my content today.
Yo, what's up?
English only.
what's up yo?
What's wrong with her feet? Why is like that lang? She did not put it on the ano. It's very
There's no foot peg. There's no other foot peg.
It's a Mayra for her. And she did not hold. So if magmaana, matagak siya.
Oo.
Like sa English siya na,
It fell. Fell.
no, if the
The
road,
motorcycle will incline
oh,
uphill. Uphill and she will dead. Yeah, definitely dead. Date of time, date of death, date of death, time of death.
so she will fall.
Love
she
garden.
will dead yun. Dili, she will fall pa
Love
man good
garden.
babe. She will fall and
Shut
broken
up, I
ribs.
don't understand you.
She will fall and broken ribs. She will fall and broken
Maabot
ribs.
ang Quezon, ani ba?
Yes, I think so.
Pero muagi pa matagwan, babe.
Wait.
Quarantine.
Babe, if we already pass it, we can just pass by later after.
Quarantine. Let's go to the quarantine.
Wait, I will check the maps. But I'm not mistaken, we did not pass by any Y road man, di ba? Pero doon lang go to sa sentro, babe. Maybe
Wala pa.
there's another sentro here.
Wait. There is the not eagle. The eagle does not land.
Ay, we will pass the eagle pa man.
Yes, the eagle. Guys, wait, the eagle. The eagle is sleeping.
We will pass the eagle and then after that, we will pass the sentro again.
No,
What?
I don't know.
Ah, yes. It's the different centro man. There's two centro man siguro. I don't know. I'm
No,
not sure.
it's plenty of centro.
And then,
It's, what do you call this? Marilog, Marahan, and then Buddha. Buddha Fest.
wait lang. I need to make sure. So we have to search for it.
Oh, diri dito.
What's that?
Tree house.
It's ugly man.
No, it's...
What?
Effing good.
No, it's not. There's no signal man.
Yeah, there's no signal.
And then this one is eating my data. Ay, buti pa break ang going home.
Do not eat the data. It's consuming.
What's that? Oh, there's colorful.
Here is the bike.
What's bike? That's Alice Lag.
Bicycle.
Oh, what's this one,
Yeah,
Pep? Oh,
it's the
Home's
old house.
Cafe.
It's an old house.
I think we're
Grabe.
almost near now.
Grabe, maraminis na ko ang
What, babe? Eagles Ridge? Di ba
dili
tayo
ang
Eagles Ridge?
pagyanan dre. O pag jud niyang dalan, beb.
The sun is
Napag balay dre sa una,
The
beb.
sun is up na, babe.
Ito'y balay dre sa una.
Grabe, nakabuhat sila road within 5 years lang.
Yes, kuan siya, beb. Right of way. Oh, where's the sun?
Oh my
Where's the
G.
fucking sun?
The sun is so up, like it's so bright and it's
Where's the
up
fucking
above.
sun? Where's the
Gago. Masikat, juta, matrending. Oh, this one, this is the center that I'm talking about. We're almost there.
Wood Hills.
Me and Lamsi always talk like this, like we English speaking.
Lamsi?
Yes.
Lamsi? Ate Ella?
Sa ate.
Yes.
Yes,
She's
we're
my
almost
ate.
there, babe.
She's my ate.
Yeah, I think
Lola
this one.
Mamis. Lola Mamis.
We did not pass by the eagle, babe.
No. The
Where's
eagle
the eagle?
is tomorrow. It's tomorrow there. The eagle is tomorrow there. Quite 31 negative minutes. Yeah.
I don't.
My God, the road still is still under
Oh, how about they
construction.
buy strawberry? For
Why strawberry? The strawberry is not sweet. It's so fucking bitter.
does your mom and dad eat strawberry?
It's mama and papa.
Yes. Do
Mama.
they eat strawberry jammers?
Yeah, they eat a lot.
Hoy,
Oh
butik-
my God.
But why did you stop the time lapse?
Time lapse.
Yeah, we're supposed to time lapse that one there at the road. My stomach is miscalling na, babe. Like-
Ipol rin ang ipol, bitch.
Like last night. It's not apple. Falls. Falls? We passed by na. I know where it is. I've been there. Oh, look. What's this one? What's this one? Bench?
It's a red.
Bench ni babe.
No,
What's this one?
it's to prevent the landslide.
Ah, how do you prevent landslide with that? What if the landslide will, that one? Push.
Oh, what's here?
Will push.
Low,
Oh, that's not one. This is not the one. babe.
lawi-lawi.
Yes. Oh, bakit mabibigat kang way? Oh my God, it's very,
So roughy.
no, it's very deep. Deep?
It's so roughy.
No, it's very lalong, babe. Oops, you will fall in the canal, babe, on the side.
You will tulak if we fall. You will tulak at the back. The back of the truck.
Why will I tulak? Your wheel will not fit in the canal, babe, because the wheel is big, man.
No. The traction might not touch the traction on the
What
road.
traction, oy?
Traction. Do you want to see what traction is?
What? Why are you laughing? He's not laughing. He's smirking. Why smirking?
Smirking. Evil smirk.
Yeah. What's this one, babe?
It's a private.
Beautiful house, babe. Pretty
That's the
house.
house of my customer.
Let's buy house here, babe.
No, because the real estate here is so fucking high.
Ay, butik baboy ka.
God,
And we'll kuan, babe, and we'll launch our house. Launch our house. We will construct, babe, our house so we can unwind here and it. Oh, babe, wait. What's this one? I think this is the one, babe. Ay, no, not that one, babe. Where is the man? Oh, the road for. Maybe that one, babe.
try searching. My God.
There's no signal, man.
It's because you do not ready our itinerary. You always, I got it. I got you.
I always got it,
Did
babe.
you catch this? No.
What, babe? Ay, no, we're almost there now, babe. I know this one.
You did not catch.
What?
You just fell in the trap.
You just have to trust me.
I don't trust myself.
You have to trust me, man, not yourself.
Restaurant.
Ay, we're almost there, lagi, babe. I told you. You just have to trust me.
Oh.
Oh, di ba? We'll pass by the eagle pa.
You want to stop the eagle?
No, you want to?
No, I want to fuck the eagle.
By eagle. See, you did not take a video of the... Ay, nako.
Time lapse. It's time lapsing.
It's not working, babe. The red button
What the
is
fuck?
not working.
Stupid.
Stupid bitch. It's a Where's their babe sounds? Where's the sounds? Where's the music, babe? Music. That one lang. There's signal naman. That one. That's my favorite. Oh, what's that? That one, babe.
No, like it.
I don't like that. Uy. Basta naipaway ha na napasaka ang Isaka Road. We'll go there. I'm telling you, I have time ha. Oh, this one. This is the proper that I'm talking about. We will pass.
God, it's so muddy. It's very muddy. You might not get into up.
Wow.
A tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why.
Freaking 11.
No signal.
There is one. How did you know? Mga pinitaya.
cleaners.